Hey guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for always coming back, and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. My name is Umoto Lifestyle. I do content about my lifestyle here in the US. Guys, in case you're out there, you want to come to the US, you want to see how people live in the US, what people do here in the US, what do we eat here in the US, this is the channel to be. That is why my channel is called Umoto Lifestyle, to kind of show you around America. But that is not it today. Guys, today I am bragging. I am so proud. I am speaking about this one man. His name is Ayamara. I'm gonna pin his link here so you guys can go and watch his channel. Why am I bragging about this guy Ayamara? This guy Ayamara actually is a YouTuber. Yes guys, I just posted another video a couple of days ago. If you did not watch that video, go ahead and watch that video, and so that you can understand who is this guy. So today actually I'm speaking about this guy because I feel like most people who are YouTubers or who don't believe on YouTube money, unless you see it, this is your day, this is your channel, this is why I'm speaking to you this video. I want you guys to understand that YouTube, actually you can make money, and YouTube can make you rich, and YouTube can give you anything like another job. So this guy is Ayamara. His name YouTube channel is I Am Mara. So you go there, you type Ayamara. I'm gonna pin his link here so you guys can see. This guy is from Africa, Kenya, from one village that is called Nyabohanse. So Nyabohanse is a village inside Kenya, is within the border of Kenya and Tanzania. That's where actually we find this village that is called Nyabohanse. So this guy comes from there, Nyabohanse. This guy is a university graduate from one of the universities in Kenya. This guy got an opportunity to go to Colombia. That's how he started his YouTube channel. So he went to Colombia, he went there to, I don't know, to study, he went there all to do some work, and he was even homeless at one point at Colombia. So that's why he got this idea of YouTube, to start vlogging YouTube videos all over Colombia. And then one guy, he got an opportunity from guy. His name is Aaron Dante. Aaron Dante comes from here, America, and is a good friend of Ayamara. Aaron Dante contributed money for him actually to buy a good laptop. So this guy Ayamara started using that laptop, and they started uploading videos, or making content and uploading videos on YouTube. And this guy started traveling and making content and making content. Can you imagine, guys? This guy has traveled over 70 or 75 countries worldwide. So we call him, he is a worldwide traveler. Ayamara is a worldwide traveler. So this guy has been this all over the countries, and actually most of the countries he's been there even 1 time, 20 times, 30 times, in deep the villages. He's been, when he goes to the country, he goes to deeper, he goes this side, he goes all the way, so that he can bring you content. Actually, me myself, with my family and my friends and everybody here in the US, we love to watch this guy. This guy is very inspirational. This guy, he has a heart of a gold. So this guy has been able to mobilize youth in the village. He has been able to open his heart to inspire youth in the village to open a YouTube channel. Because you know, sometimes it's not good for one person to have and the entire village is poor. But this guy is not like that. He opens doors for anybody who wants help. Anybody who wants to start a YouTube like him is open to explain to you, to tell you. Even he has come to his own masterclass. Like a masterclass, you can go there and learn like another school. You learn about YouTube. Guys, if you are interested in this, learning about YouTube, how this guy has been able to travel, he calls himself a traveling commando. Oh my goodness, if you want to learn how he does his thing of YouTube, you better get your masterclass. Go to Ayamara and search for the masterclass link so that you can get the knowledge. You can even actually, when you pay for this masterclass, you can even talk one-on-one with him so that he can explain to you about YouTube world. So this guy has been able to inspire so many people, not only his village, actually worldwide, because whenever I watch him, whenever he goes to the country, at least he opens channels for people, anybody. It doesn't matter, you come from Africa, you come from India, you come from anywhere else. He opens channels for people. He starts channels for people to grow. That tells me like this guy has a heart of a gold. Most people might not like that, but for him, he is a guy who likes to share. So in my first video, I told you how he has inspired his own family, his own mother, a sister, a brother, an uncle. In the village, he has inspired actually anybody who wants help. So this guy has been inspirational, and that's why I want to brag about this guy. Anybody who is throwing stones on this guy, you better check yourself. This guy is amazing, is exceptional. He has a brain. This guy thinks far. The way he does his things, you can tell he's a very smart guy. Your mother should be proud of you, Ayamara. So that's how I'm here. I'm an advocate of Ayamara. So whenever I see somebody talking bad about my Ayamara, my heart is melting. I'm like, you don't know what you're missing. So I'm here to inspire you guys. In case you have a channel, a YouTube channel, and you are not actually watching this guy, go watch this guy so that you can understand that YouTube is real money. This guy has built a mega villa, mansion, villa, a huge villa in the deep forest of Africa, Kenya, in the village called Nyabohanse. Nyabohanse is I told you, is in between the border of Kenya and Tanzania. That's why you find Nyabohanse. This guy has been able to build this villa. Guys, if you see this villa, please check on the link that I'm gonna pin here so you can actually watch this guy. You watch this villa. This guy has even inspired people from international. So Marwa has a party that was going to start from November 18th to December 18th for anybody from around the world. Is gonna have the party. The party actually is going on right now. So you want to book your tickets from all over. You want to book a ticket from everywhere. Actually, I wanted to go, but my work didn't let me go. I really wanted to go to Nyabohanse. Even now, I'm thinking of going there. I'm not going there maybe for my YouTube. I'm just going to there to support, to see this villa, to support this guy who has actually come from nothing to this mega brain mind-blowing guy. You see, so when he has this party, people are coming from international. They're coming from international with gifts, actually gifts and gifts and gifts. And this, through this guy's channel, Ayamarwa, children have been sponsored actually to go to school. Guys, this guy has this platform of YouTube, and through his platform, through his heart, people have been able to see the children, the goodness in him, and they have been able to over themselves, their money, their resources to support the children in the village. And right now, as I'm talking, so many children are in school because of Ayamaro platform YouTube channel. So many people have gotten cameras. Guys, if you could see that with this party going on, international people come from here in the US. They brought cameras. Guys, do you know how much those cameras cost? You don't want to know. But these guys have been able to see the gold. The guys coming from Jamaica, the couple, they came with school supplies for children. They came with goodies. Oh my goodness, people are coming. Guys are leaving his all belongings behind to the villages, all because of this guy Ayamara. Are you kidding me? Why do you even talk bad about this guy? Don't you see all these good things? Oh my goodness, don't you see all this? Why are people flocking to him? Which means he has something. And actually, there's nothing that he has other than a YouTube channel that he's inspiring people. And that's why everybody is flocking there to get that goodness of him. This guy, through his villa, he has been able to employ people. Actually, people have been earning there. People have owned bikes from there. People are building their houses through Ayamara's channel. He has inspired so many youths who are on even building their own villa. Guys, see example of Ayamara. There's this guy, his name is Mayugno. I love that guy, Mayugno. He's a vibe, I'm telling you. So this guy, he's a vibe. This guy just Mara saw something in this eye. This guy used to be a top Martian in Ayamara Villa, and Mara saw a vision in this guy. Mara saw a vibe in this guy. I saw this guy, Mara, opening a channel for him. I was there. Oh my goodness. This is how you see that we love this, watching Ayamara. So this Mara opened this guy a channel. This guy was, as he calls himself, he was a street boy. This guy comes from Tanzania. His mother, I think she's from Luo, and daddy's from Korea. But this guy, he was born in actually Kenya. So I watched him go to his village, Sirati. So this guy's name is Mayuguna. So that's an example of how Ayamara has been able to inspire people. There's another one, this guy that's coming up, his name is Nasto. I love that guy too. There's another one called Cloudy Joseph. Oh my goodness, Marwa has done amazing job in the village. Even now he's doing amazing job in the village. That's why I'm here to brag about Ayamara. There's so many things that I can brag Ayamara that I can never finish, guys. I'm gonna keep making videos, more content of you guys bragging about Marwa, telling you how Marwa has inspired the world, telling you how Ayamara's mother, oh my god, I'm gonna talk about this lady in the other video, and I'm gonna talk about the sister. Oh my god, this family, I'm telling you, this family is on another level. They're good people. They inspire people. They just, you can't just say anything. It's just simple people, hardworking people. You can see how the father works so hard with his cows and making his compound. Oh my goodness, I'm so inspired. And I promise myself when I go back home, because from Ayamara's village, actually to my village, is only 3 hours, 2.5 or 3 hours. So you can tell we're so close to Ayamara, and that's why I'm so inspired. And I'm telling my people, watch this guy Ayamara, follow his footsteps. If you need help, holla, so that people can help you, so you can go there and get inspired. And that's why I'm here as Umoto Lifestyle. Guys, go check my channel out. I'm gonna start producing videos, and because I see the need to brag about this guy, because I feel like he's not getting more support that I feel like he needs to be supported. I feel like people need to know about this guy. Guys, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. Go check my channel out, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.